Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about FWRD and its review. So is FWRD a legit place to buy, and is it really a good place, or is it just maybe a scam from type of website? So we have been reviewing these types of things for the past month already, and let's see. So we have a balance of 5 star and 1 stars, which really seems kind of odd. So let's check out the 1 stars to bring out all the red flags that we might see. So it's a scam company right here, late delivery, racist and out of touch, scammers, terrible experience, fraud, disappointing. Let's see, request photos of bank card, and let's see, never received, 3 unauthorized charges from this, fraudulent company, worst customer service online. So as you can see, it looks like they have fraudulent activities going on. So when we go to the 5 star reviews right here, it looks like it has bot comments because right here, it looks like they're just really constructed out of AI and others. So as you can see right here, it's like one big ass paragraph, which is not really a thing that you would find with real comments. And here in Reddit, we have is FWRD a legit place to buy? And it says right here, with this price, no way that they will scam you. I bought the same ones for 40 or less than half of this price. So yes, FWD is legit. I purchased from them in the past with no issues. And right here, it's a legit total retail site, legit purchase. It's legit. So when it comes to Reddit, it says that they are legit, but you will have to be cautious since we have a lot of um, reviews right here in Trustpilot where they say they got scammed and fished. So remember, just buy with caution or just try to buy from another website if you are planning to do so to buy a actual product from FWRD. So there you go guys, that is the review for FWRD.